And then we want to be floating over our cream. So just a little bit in the top of there. So there we go, that's Irish coffee made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making Irish coffee. We're making instant Irish coffee. It's quick, it's easy to make at home. You don't have to have a coffee machine. If you have one, well, you know you're making real coffee. But we're making it instant today, so everyone can make an Irish coffee at home. It's a very straightforward recipe. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Okay, I have one of these really cheap gizmo things, you know, a couple of batteries go inside. It's a frother. It froths up. Absolutely perfect for this job. And what we're going to do, we're going to put some cream in this jug, probably about that much. We don't have to go too crazy. I'm only going to make one. You know, if you're making more than that, put more in. And then we're going to froth the cream. Now, we're not trying to whip this cream till it goes into stiff peaks or anything like that. We just want to whip it so it's fairly thick. So that's our cream mix there, look. That's quite nice. We're just going to put that to one side. Now, like I said, this is an instant Irish coffee. We're using coffee. The coffee of your choice, whatever you like, but we do want it quite strong. So we're going to go in there with at least a good couple of tablespoons of coffee. Now we're using an Irish coffee glass, you know, a normal Irish coffee glass, you know, you can purchase them everywhere. And what we need to do is just warm up that glass just a little bit. Don't stress over it, okay? We're messing around with boiling water here. So that's going to warm up that glass. We're just going to put it to one side. Coffee in there. Nice and hot coffee, and just give it a little stir in. Okay, now there are many ways to do this. We've warmed up the glass. I'm just going to get rid of that water. We want to be going in there with about 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Now it has to be brown sugar, not white sugar. But I guess if you've only got white sugar, you're going to use white sugar. Don't stress. And then what we're having to do, we're going to try and tip some of this coffee in there without spilling it everywhere. And we're just going to give that sugar a little bit of dissolving in that glass. Now you can do this any which way, you know, you could even just put the sugar in the coffee. And then all we're doing is putting some coffee in there. And then we're just going to go in there with some Irish whiskey. Now normally I would just pour it straight in, but we're going to do about that much. I'm going to give that a little stir. And then we want to be floating over our cream. So just a little bit in the top of there. Float it on the top. And then turn your spoon over. And just bring that in. And look at that beauty. Now you can grate over chocolate, you can grate over nutmeg, you can do anything like that. That's up to you. I have chocolate, I have nutmeg, but I don't like it on this, so I ain't gonna put it in. There we are. That is instant Irish coffee made at home. So easy, so straightforward. Don't need a big coffee machine. You can make it with instant coffee. That looks amazing. So there we go. That's Irish coffee made. All we got to do now is give it a taste test. Absolutely fantastic. Now you can stir all that in, that's up to you, or you can just that is truly amazing. Slightly sweet, you've got that whiskey in there, you've got your coffee in there, topped with that fresh cream. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Well, I hope you enjoy what we're doing. Don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.